So we'll see how you can enable multi-factor authentication for your IAM user. So I'm logged in to my root account. I will be navigating to the user, test user CCP. Under the security credential section, it shows that assigned MFA device, which is not assigned. So click on manage. It shows different options over here, which is virtual MFA device, U2 app security key, other hardware MFA device. But for our demo purpose, we'll be using virtual MFA device. Click on continue. It shows the list of compatible applications, but in our case we'll be using Authy on my Android device. So I already downloaded Authy from Play Store, and I am now clicking on the show QR code. I'm opening Authy on my Android device. So in Authy you can add multiple accounts. Under the add account section in Authy, there is a scan QR code. So as soon as you hit on scan QR code in Authy, it enables MFA. Select. It starts generating the MFA code. So it will ask you to enter 2 MFA codes over here. So I'm entering. These are the codes that have been generated by Authy. I'll wait for the second token. But yeah, keep in mind, never enable root account MFA for demo purpose, because if you lose it, then it's very hard to recover the account. Here we go, 1, 2, 7. Once you enter these 2 codes over here, you click on assign MFA. So here we go, the MFA is now enabled in our IAM user. I will now log in to my IAM user and let's see, show you how it asks the MFA ID. So here we go, I'm signing in as an IAM user, entered my username and password, clicking on sign in. Now it is asking us to enter the MFA code. So now you can open Authy and enter the code that is generated in Authy, and yeah, we successfully logged in to our account. This is how MFA works. See you in the next lecture.